Hello, my name's Ruth. I work for a company called Nature's Best. We're a family business producing chill convenience products for all the supermarkets nationwide. I found Connor and the team at Connector really easy to work with, and they really listened to what I wanted for the website. I found the team, they were really creative with the ideas and suggestions they had for the website, and they added in a really cool parallax design feature with falling leaves that really showcased our products. If you want to check out our website, go to www.naturesbest.ie.